When we first arrived in Costa Rica, we were super stoked to jump headfirst into renovations at our newly purchased hotel. But after doing a thorough walkthrough, we realized that this journey was going to be anything but easy.
We quickly noticed that the hotel was more run down than we first realized.
The best feature of the hotel was a large pool at the center of the property, and while it looked okay from afar, once you got up close, we found out that it was literally cracking at the seams.
The hotel grounds were pretty nice, but once we stepped foot inside the rooms, we were in for a rude awakening.
Well, it's not easy to open. Okay. This pink color kills me.
Makes you look pink.
Yeah. And that AC has got to be, I don't know, 10 years old? Does it even work?
Does it have one of those fresheners sticking out of it?
Oh God.
Your classic Costa Rican bathroom.
With some more pink, just in case you haven't had enough pink.
And green towels.
Good match.
Oh, these are nice.
This is my favorite. Hello. Hello.
Oh, yeah? Oh, geez, what is going on with this door? Jesus.
After seeing the rooms, we walked over to the hotel's villas, which seemed to be in a better shape. Not as bad as the rooms.
Futon, just for when you want to stuff extra people in here.
It's the thing about all Costa Rican hotels, they just want to stuff as many people as possible and leave no space for anything else.
Oh, the door doesn't open?
No, not quite. This is as much as you get.
I can see this in this antique ACs in the wall there. Very energy efficient. Another room. This one at least opens. And the bathroom. Which is actually not that bad, all things considered.
Not bad.
And sadly, it wasn't just the rooms that needed a lot of repairs and new paint, it was every other part of the property as well.
Needless to say, there's no shortage of things to do and repairs to make.
But we are moving quickly, and renovations are now well underway.
Tune in next week for another video update from the Drift Away Eco Lodge.